Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome. So in today's video, you are going to make this beautiful bag, but this is the part 2 of the bag. Part 1 link is in the description box, so you can kindly click on it and watch that part before coming back to the part 2 to complete this beautiful and gorgeous bag. Please subscribe, watch, share and comment in the comment section below. So enjoy this tutorial.
So after I cut off the excess thread, I took a new thread again, and then I'll just come out from 2 of the 12 millimeters, okay, like this, and I'll make sure the edges are equal. Make sure the edges are equal like this. So now I'll pick 1 gold, 2 white of the 12 millimeters, and then 1 gold. As I told you from my previous explanation, I told you that anytime you are beginning a new step, you are going to use 4 beads like this, 4 beads, okay. This is the first on this row, so we are going to use 4 beads. So we are going to cross with this one, the last one on the thread, and make sure your edges are equal. This way, okay. And now enter the next 12 millimeters. So we are going to repeat the same process that we used to do, okay. Now you take this particular thread, and now you are going to use 3 beads. So 2 12 millimeters, 1 6 millimeters. So 2, then the third one is the small one, then you cross with the third one, okay. Then you now enter these 2 again. So this is the same process I'm going to repeat until I get my desired length of the bag. So I'll be right back. So this is 1 2 3. I'm going to do 5 more to make the height of the bag 8, okay. So with that, I'll be right back, because it's the same process. I can't be showing it, if not the video will be too long. So I'll just pass this big bead, and I'll come out from the small one, this one, okay. So as it's come out like this, this is the last round in the last step. So I'll just use 2 of the 12 millimeter bead, and I'll cross with the second one, which is this one. So we are done with the body as well of the bag. So I'm going to just use the thread to go round, all around, just to make the work very firm. Okay, so this is it, but my thread that is left, it's very long. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use it to make the handle. Okay, so if when I want to do the handle, I'll do it on one of the bead. So I'll bring one of the thread out from here. So we are going to get something like this. Okay, this is what we are getting, as you can see. So now I'll open the thread and I'll put 2 beads each of the small, which is a 6mm, on one, and I'll put the same on the other thread this way. Okay, and I'll then use the big bead. I'll mix the color. So I'll just put the 2 threads together and I'll put it inside. So this is what we are getting. Okay, so 1 gold, 1 white, 1 gold, 1 white. That is the order now for the handle. Okay, so this is okay. I'm even going to use, so this is enough for us to have our handle. So I'll do the same thing I did at this side, which is 2 to 8, and I'll put the same here. So now we are going to trace the middle, like the thread, the bead that is opposite and directly to this one, which is this bead. So I'm going to come out from the opposite 2 direction of this particular bead. Okay, so one thread will come from this side and the other will also move to the other side. So I'm going to move from here this direction and come out from here as well. So this is our handle now. So I'm just going to make sure that it is very firm and standing, as you can see. Okay, so I'll bring the thread up to one particular point and I'll tie it. So that is what I'm doing. So I'm going to pass 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, there is a knot here, so I'll come out somewhere here. So as I said, just make sure our work is very firm. Okay, so let's tie it. So I just give it a double tie, and voila, our bag is ready.
Thank you very much for watching this video up to this particular point. Please, you can follow me on Instagram and send me your works, and if you are able to complete it, send me pictures and videos. Also, put your comments in the comment section. If you are not subscribed yet, kindly come back and subscribe, like this video and share with others, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.